Hey there! This video demonstrates how you can generate statistics about your inbound calls in your CommPeak Portal. You will learn the following: how to access the report, which filters you can apply, what data is included in the report, and how to download it. To start running the Origination Call Records report, select DIDs in the main menu, then click Origination Call Records. Next, apply the filters to limit your selection. You can select specific DID numbers or all that you have, then set a time frame or select available presets and click Search. You will see the history of inbound calls for all DID numbers you selected. It includes the following data: the call date and time, the call status, for example, answer, the source, which is the caller ID, the call duration, the price per minute, and total cost. To download the report as a CSV file, click the button on the right. You will be redirected to a pop-up window. It will take some time for the report to generate, as it contains a considerable amount of data. When the report is ready, you can save it to your device. You can also access the call report later if you click Generated Reports on the respective page. Thanks for watching, and good luck!